Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic pillow. So, we've got our fabric here that we've chosen. It's kind of soft and nice. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take the fabric and fold it inside out. You want to do this so when you're sewing, the stitches are on the inside out, so it looks nicer basically. Sewing the actual pillow. So when you're sewing, try to get the Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm sewing the pillow. When you're sewing your pillow, try to keep the stitches even and close together. My thread is really long. What stitch? I'm doing the whip stitch as the type of stitch I'm using on my pillow. I really like it. It's my favorite one. But any stitch would work, really. Alright, so now that we got this side of the pillow done, well, basically, we're going to go to the other side. We're going to go to the longer side, not the shorter side, because, again, sewing the longer side first will help make your pillow look better overall. Alright, so now that I finished the other side, we're going to sew about halfway or like a fourth of the way of the last side. Alright, so I ended up sewing my pillow about a little over 1/3 of the way on this side. But the next step we're going to do is we're going to take our pillow, or what we have of the pillow, and we're going to flip it right side out. We're going to make sure all the ends are pushed out. Because when you turn the pillow right side out, the ends are going to need to be pushed out again. Just double checking to make sure that all ends are pushed out. So now we have almost our pillow. And then we're going to stuff it. This is the stuffing thing I use, Polyfill. If you don't get a good look at it, it's also on our website. So, okay, so now that I stuffed my pillow, we're gonna sew. But remember, guys, while you're stuffing your pillow, you need to try to fill it up as much as you can, but be able to, you know, still sew the rest of the bit. Like, you can squeeze it together and it'll all be sewn up. There you have it. You have finished your first pillow. That's the folded end. And here's what one end looks like. And here's where we finish the sewing.